a village on Long Island has enacted a new law that bans the sale of guns and ammunition.
All right, the mayor of Babylon Village applauding the move, saying it's a matter of public safety.
But as Fox 5's Michelle Ross shows us, some people are arguing it's a violation of their rights.
Babylon Village taking preventive measures by passing legislation that blocks retail gun stores from opening. The village website writing, the purpose of this law is to prevent the retail sale of firearms in the village of Babylon, so no stores can open.
That's perfect. They're harmful. It makes certain people make wrong decisions, and instead of getting support, they go to a direction that can be very dangerous.
Susan Lips is also in favor and says she was held at gunpoint when she was younger.
I was about 23. We owned a video store, and the guy had a gun, and he held me up. Nothing happened, but it was very scary, and it was in the wrong hands.
The law doesn't prevent anyone from legally possessing a firearm, just from opening a store that sells them.
Well, that's crazy. That's really, in my opinion, that's crazy. How could they prevent people from earning a living?
Bennett Gershman is a professor of law at Pace University and says he isn't a gun enthusiast, but he believes the law raises some eyebrows on unconstitutionality.
I would say that there are certainly several justices on the Supreme Court in a heartbeat, without much review, would say this law is unconstitutional.
The village website also claims this is not an infringement upon the Second Amendment right. The law does state that villages, local government, municipalities are allowed to construct laws to promote safety.
If you want to open a business and you qualify for a license and you're a responsible person and you want to sell as your product a gun instead of fruit, vegetables, clothing, whatever, why can't you open your store to sell a gun?
And the law doesn't prevent residents from traveling to other parts of Long Island and legally purchasing a gun there and bringing it back home. Now, there is also one exception to this legislation, and that includes the gun shows that take place annually at the American Legion. Reporting in Babylon, Michelle Ross, Fox 5 News.